5 jobs anyone can do. Number 5 pays the most. 1, watch ad videos. Go to inboxdollar.com and sign up, and you get $5 bonus. Sign up on mypoints.com and you get $5 bonus. Number 2, video assistance. Sign up on upwork.com and sell your skills there. Sign up on Fiverr and sell your skills there. Number 3, create and sell designs. Sign up on 99design.com and sell your designs. Sign up on Etsy and sell your designs. Number 4, become a social media manager. Help people manage their pages and you can make money. Number 5, Amazon KDP. So if you are interested and you want to partake in this, please link to my bio. It's not a must you write. We have no content, we have low content, we have medium content, we have high content. Link to my bio.